after a long wait, she is finally here. Are you guys ready for her unboxing? Then keep on watching! Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Pretty Pink Poppy Parker Doll Mini Gift Set. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This Poppy Parker doll is from Poppy Parker Collection Last Dolly Days 2022, designed by Jessy Ayala, with a total price of $165 plus shipping and handling for the W Club members. And on this side of the box, you will find the stunning pink coat with pink crop top. I am very excited with this doll. As you can see, this is not just a doll, it's a mini gift set. This comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 3,920. And now, are you guys ready to see her out of the box? But first, let me set up the doll stand. Here's the acrylic base of the stand. And here's the saddle stand. And now she's free. Wow, she's really lovely. What do you think, guys? She has this protective plastic wrap on her knee. And with a nice long wavy blonde hair. Now we are going to remove her hairnet. Wow, she is fabulous. I can't wait to redress this doll. I can see a little bit of imperfection with her hair, but it's not that obvious. The left side of her middle parted hair has more hair, and on this side is a little bit bulky. Let's check it out. And there you go. There's a small bun inside of her hair to have more volume, I guess, but I don't mind. She still looks good. And she also has this pink color pedicure. This Poppy Parker has the body type of Poppy Parker 1.5 with skin tone of Japan, with a hair color of dark blonde, and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here's the closer look of Pretty Pink Poppy Parker. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
Written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on, I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because 'cause you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you.
Here's the complete look of Pretty Pink Poppy Parker gift set doll.
Yeah. It kind of feels like this. Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars, and you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. Oh, I just wanna be. What you say? Wanna stay in a hotel, champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.
For me, she's 100% sassy. So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.